The main function of adjectives and adverbs is to add extra information. Usually, to add information means to describe. But sometimes, it means to compare. So, adjectives and adverbs are used to compare what is similar or different. To show that things are similar, we use the form. Example:
Brian is as tall as Maria. Mark cooks as well as Kevin.
To show the difference, we use comparative and superlative forms of adjectives or adverbs. We use comparatives to show a difference between two things. Example:
Kevin is taller than Maria. Maria cooks better than Kevin.
Superlatives are used to show the difference between more than two things. Superlatives compare one thing to all the others in the same group. Example:
Kevin is their tallest. Maria cooks their best.
Remember that we always use the definite article before the superlative. So, there are three kinds of possible comparisons: similar, different comparative, different superlative. Adjectives and adverbs are made into the comparative or the superlative forms in one of two ways. It depends on the number of syllables the adjective or adverb have. A syllable is a part of a word that contains a vowel sound. If the adjective or adverb have one syllable, the forms are
new, newer, the newest. Fast, faster, the fastest.
If the adjective or adverb have two or more syllables, the forms are
popular, more popular, the most popular. Sadly, more sadly, the most sadly.
never mix these two ways to form the comparative or the superlative. So, we have two basic rules. But there are a few exceptions. Some adjectives and adverbs have irregular comparative and superlative forms.
Good. Well. Better. The best. Bad. Badly. Worse. The worst. Little. Less. The least. Much. Many. More. The most. Far. Farther. Further. The farthest. The furthest.
Choose the right answers.
Brian is taller than Maria.
Choose the right answers.
The car goes as fast as the bus.
Choose the right answers.
Whales are the largest animals.
Choose the right answers.
Mark is the oldest. Brian is younger than Mark. Brian is older than Tim. Tim is the youngest.
Choose the right answers.
Hard. Harder. The hardest.
Choose the right answers.
shortly, more shortly, the most shortly.
Choose the right answers.
Cute, cuter, the cutest.
Choose the right answers.
Fat, fatter, the fattest.
Choose the right answers.
Pretty, prettier, the prettiest.
Choose the right answers.
Well, better, the best.
Choose the right answers.
Bad, worse, the worst. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.